Hey everyone, it's Jazzy here from Greenttons with another episode of Resin-ating with Jazzy. In this video, I'll show you how to make silicone molds using two different methods. The first one we're going to use is a Silicone Mold Maker by Padico. This kit includes 200 grams of product, 100 grams of part A and 100 grams of part B. I measure out equal parts of each component using the scoop provided. Then I'll mix everything together for approximately 1 minute until I have a uniform purple color. I have about 3 minutes to work with this before it starts to set up. Here I'm flattening the clay with an acrylic block from rubber stamping. Now I'm going to press my item into the silicone mixture. I'm using an old door handle from a closet door. It takes approximately 25 minutes for the silicone to cure. Then I pop my door handle out and I have a very nice mold that I can use to make a medallion pendant. This method of mold making is perfect for items that are not flat on the back. These molds I made from metal wall artwork. These other molds were made from found objects or jewelry findings that I had laying around. I can use these molds for 2-part resin or clay. This next group of 4 molds was made from impressing the silicone onto rubber stamps. This next mold is one of my favorites. I made it by pushing a real Hershey's Kiss into the silicone. I'll have a video coming soon to show you how I make my Hershey's Kiss clay necklace. Now I will show you how to make a clear mold for UV resin. Here I'm making a paper box container to pour the silicone mixture into. This product is made by Padico and it allows me to make the box in a size small, medium, or large. I'm going to make the large. Here I tape my cabochons to the inside bottom of the box. Now I'm going to use a scale to measure out equal parts of part A and part B. I need to make enough silicone so that my pieces are covered at least 1/4 to 1/2 an inch thick with silicone. I will mix for approximately 3 minutes, then pour the mixture over my cabochons. I didn't make enough, so here I've got to make another batch of silicone. Now I'm going to set it aside for approximately 5 hours to let it cure. Now I'm carefully taking the box apart to remove my new silicone mold. My cabochons weren't perfectly flat, so some of the silicone got underneath them, and now I need to remove that film by either peeling it away or cutting it off. Here's my new silicone mold, perfect for UV resin. I have to test it out, so I'm going to make the butterfly. I'm mixing up a batch of UV resin with some purple pigment and a custom glitter mix that I made. Now I set my new mold under the UV lamp for 90 seconds. That releases from the mold really easy. Here I'm comparing my new glitter butterfly to the original. The box is in perfect condition, so I can use it again. I put links in the description box below on where you can find all of these products. And I have a 15% off coupon for the clear mold maker. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please hit the bell notification so you'll always know when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.